I want bangs. I think. I don't know, okay? I don't know. The thing is, whenever I don't have bangs, I wanna have bangs. But whenever I have bangs, I don't wanna have bangs. It is honestly the biggest struggle of the female race. I mean, forget about being scared to walk home alone. Like, deciding whether you wanna have bangs or not is definitely way worse. And it's something that we all experience. Maybe not, maybe I'm the only one who literally thinks about wanting and not wanting bangs every single day of my life. Every single day. Yeah, I had bangs a couple months ago. I had like micro bangs. This is what they look like right now. And yeah, since they are basically grown out right now, I obviously want them again. But I also really like this hair right now. I don't know, it's giving normal person. Not saying that people with micro bangs are normal people, but I guess you all know what I mean, right? And I really like that vibe, but I also really like the vibe of looking like a weird alien with micro bangs. Wait. So today, what I'm going to do is I am going to give myself bangs, but reversible bangs. Temporary bangs. I'm gonna try that, and then I can decide whether I want to go for the full commitment or not. It would actually make my life so much easier if I found an easy way to fake bangs that still looks good. That would alleviate a lot of my problems. Okay, let's go. I went on the internet and looked for a tutorial on how to get bangs without having to cut your hair. Exciting, lovely. This is the video. And I guess we're just gonna try it. I wonder if it's gonna work on my hair, because like I've seen so many videos of girls like doing this method and their hair is always like long and beautiful and healthy, whereas like my hair is, I mean, I guess the front pieces are decently healthy, but like the ends of my hair are like fried, so I feel like that's gonna look like weird if it's like in front of my face. But we'll see, you know, we're just gonna try it out. We're just gonna try it out. Just gonna try it out. Okay, so for the bangs, first gonna make a selection. No, section. We're gonna do the triangle shapey. God, I feel like it's really not gonna work for my hair, because also it's like super layered. Are these baby hairs, or is this all just broken off? Am I getting bald? Okay, that's a problem for later. We're just focusing on the bangs today. Also, yeah, my hair is like super uneven, as you can see. Like, this is way longer than that. And funnily enough, that's not my fault. I did not do that. You know who did that? The hairdresser. The hairdresser cut it uneven. And it's like a really big difference too. So, you know, everybody keeps telling me go to the hair salon, go to the hair salon, but I feel like I can literally do it better myself. I honestly think my hair is like way too short for this, but maybe, because I do want to have tiny bangs, so I guess maybe it actually does work for this. Beautiful. Then we do it backwards. Get some clips. One clip is enough. I don't know if I'm happy with that, but okay. Oh yeah, no, this is beautiful. This looks very natural. This definitely looks like bangs. I can totally see this going right. I don't really understand why she... Oh, maybe because she has like super long hair. But yeah, I don't really understand the multiple folds that are... Oh! Okay, take it back. It actually kind of works like this. Okay, wait. Straightener's done. Now we're just gonna... Oh god. What the hell's going on over here? Wait. This actually kind of works. I mean, it is uneven though, which is bugging me. But we're just gonna... What? Wait, that actually looks super realistic. I mean, I do got like a bunch of like clips over here. She was hiding it with a what's it called? Headband? I don't really own those because I'm not a headband kind of girly. I do have this. But is it gonna... Yeah, that's obviously not gonna hide that's not gonna hide the clips, obviously. I'm just gonna use like a hairnet, but then use it as a headband, you know? Very innovative, I think. Whee! You can still see the clip like sticking out of my scalp. But I do have short bangs right now. What do we think? I kind of like how it looks, but I can still see like all the clips over here, because yeah, if I'm gonna wear this I need to have like better headbands, which is also kind of the problem because I don't really like headbands. I mean, maybe it could be a vibe, but I don't know, it's just too cutesy, I think. Also, I can still see like the rubber bands, and also it feels pretty... Like there's a lot of tension on my scalp right now, which I don't think is good for my hair either. I don't know. Kind of a vibe. Kind of a vibe. Let's try a different method. Okay, I'm back without my bangs. It's so annoying because like when I see my hair like this now, I'm like, yeah, you know what? I actually don't want to have bangs at all. I like the way it is. It's literally so annoying that I change my mind like every 5 seconds. It's honestly debilitating. Okay, so the next method I'm gonna try, it's just styling my hair basically. I'm just gonna see if I can turn these little things, like these grown out bangs, into short bangs by just curling it with a straightener. And if this works, then I don't know why I'm making such a fuss. Oh, it's so annoying how uneven my hair is. And obviously I can cut it to make it even, but the thing is I like the longest side better, so I want to keep it. But yeah, let's just take that out for now because it's gonna ruin the bangs. Okay, let's just do this. Let's just get my straightener. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go backwards and then flip it. What the fuck? This method actually worked perfectly when my hair was a little bit shorter, but right now, I don't know. No, this looks weird, right? I'm trying to figure out if I would go outside looking like this. Probably not. It's too much volume. I think that's the problem. I like my hair to be flat and lifeless, just like me. Oh! Did you hear that? That was actually not a fart, okay? Thank you very much. That smells like my legs, like squishing together. That made the loudest noise ever, oh my god. Anyways, last method, which I feel like is the method with the biggest success rate. Okay, and that is... Un momento, por favor. Okay. What is it? What is it? What is it? Did I just lose it? That would be so funny. Clip-on bangs! Oh. Yeah, this is funny because I bought this a long time ago. Like, in the time that I have this, I have cut my bangs probably twice or maybe even 3 times. Even though I could have just used this nifty little thing. I like the smell of new extensions. They remind me of the first time I ever had extensions when I was like 15. Oh, nostalgic. So I don't remember where I bought these. I'm pretty sure I just bought these off of Amazon. So they say it's human hair. There is a possibility it's mixed with like synthetic hair, because I can't imagine that I paid a lot for this. Also, the hair distribution is pretty insane. Like, it's way thicker over here than it is over here. But we're just gonna try, okay? So we're just gonna try. Yeah, what we gotta do obviously is dye this, dry it, and style it. Here I got my hair dye. This is the hair dye that I used on my roots. I have a teeny tiny bit left. Thank God I actually put it back in the packaging. Ooh. Ooh. That one doesn't smell good. Does not smell good at all. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dye the hair. Do I care about stained hands today? That's the question. I do. I actually do. For once in my life. So, wow. Let's just get some gloves. Okay. Is it me, or does this look way more red than my hair? Okay, the bangs are covered. I'm just gonna let them like marinate for about 20 minutes, I think, and I'm gonna rinse them out and then I'll be back. Okay, how did I manage to still dye my hands? Got my hair. Got me hair. This is the exact hair that I use in my hair. However, it does look different. That's strange, right? That is a little bit crazy. So I'm just gonna blow dry it, and then we can style it. Yeah, okay, let's do that. Let's just have a moment of truth. God, this is so straight. Oh, let's put it a little bit higher. It works, but it also doesn't. I think I have to like clip my hair to the side, because as you can see, like my own hair is just like it's like coming from underneath the bangs, and it makes it look kind of weird. Okay. Yeah, this is way better already. This is way better. This actually works. This looks, I mean, maybe I should like cut it a little bit shorter so I can clip it a little bit lower, because it is like starting really far back now. But like, this looks real, right? This looks like it's actually my bangs. I changed the clips because the ones I used were not strong enough and the hair was getting out of control. Okay, so let's do this one. Bruh! I'm actually so impressed by this. This is crazy. There are a couple of problems though. First one you can already see is that like the clips are visible. So if I'm gonna wear this, I should probably buy pink clips. The other one is, it is pretty flat, but maybe I can just like style it a bit. I don't know if that worked. That just made it look weird. What the fuck? What the fuck? Wait, what happened? Why is it? What happened? Did I just ruin these bangs? I don't know what happened, but I've been fucking around with these bangs for like 15 minutes now. Because I don't know, I did something to them and I feel like they look weird now. I don't know what I did, but we're just gonna... Oh, I think I maybe fixed it. Oh, but it still looks kind of weird, but okay. While I was looking for my bangs extensions, I actually found extensions in like basically the same color as my hair. So I'm just gonna put these in my hair and then I'm gonna have long hair again. That's crazy. Oh my god. I love this so much. I mean, yeah, I feel like the bangs still look pretty weird because they're just so flat. They should have been a little bit thicker. But look at like this hairstyle. Like the short bangs and the long hair. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. This is amazing. Okay, everybody. We have reached the end of the video. 3 different ways to give myself fake bangs, and I feel like y'all probably know which one I like best. I mean, to be fair, actually, the first one, even though it was very uncomfortable and like annoying to do, it actually did end up looking pretty natural. So that's like a good alternative if you don't have fake bangs. But I definitely think that these fake bangs are the best solution. I wish they were a little bit thicker. I wish they had a little bit more volume, but maybe I can just style that. I don't know. But yeah, this looks so good. Also, this does make me wanna cut my bangs because I just wanna look like this every single day. But I shall not do that. This was today's video. Let me know what you think I should do. Should I cut my bangs? Should I leave them? Should I just wear these? Or should I throw these in the trash? I don't know. Maybe you guys think it looks horrible. Maybe I'm just delusional right now. I don't know, but I think they look cute. But yeah, let me know what you think. And I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao.